From the soaring peaks of the Himalayas to the vast Gobi Desert, China is a land of immense scale and breathtaking beauty. While many are familiar with its bustling cities and ancient wonders, there exists another China, hidden away from the well-trodden paths. In this series, we embark on a journey to uncover some of China's most remote and awe-inspiring landscapes. These are places where nature reigns supreme, where ancient traditions endure, and where the very air seems to vibrate with a sense of mystery. Join us as we traverse rugged mountain passes, navigate winding rivers, and explore hidden valleys cloaked in mist. Prepare to be captivated by the raw power and delicate beauty of these hidden gems, places that even many locals can scarcely believe exist. Our journey begins in the heart of Gansu province, where nature has truly outdone itself. Here, the earth erupts in a riot of color, a surreal landscape that seems more akin to an artist's canvas than a product of geological forces. This is the Zhangye Danxia landform, a geological wonder millions of years in the making. Over eons, layers of sandstone and other minerals were deposited, compacted, and then sculpted by wind and rain into a breathtaking tapestry of peaks, valleys, and swirling patterns. The colors themselves are the result of iron and other trace minerals, each layer a testament to a different era in the Earth's history. As the sun moves across the sky, the hues shift and deepen, creating an ever-changing spectacle that is both mesmerizing and surreal. Our journey now takes us eastward to the heart of Hubei province, where amidst the swirling mists and towering peaks lies a place steeped in legend and shrouded in mystery. This is the Wudang Mountains, a landscape that has captivated the imaginations of poets, philosophers, and martial artists for centuries. The Wudang Mountains are considered the birthplace of Taoism, an ancient Chinese philosophy that emphasizes living in harmony with the natural world. For centuries, Taoist hermits and monks have sought refuge in these mountains, drawn by their tranquility and spiritual energy. As we ascend into the mountains, the air grows cooler and the sounds of civilization fade into the distance. The path winds its way through dense forests of bamboo and pine, their branches heavy with moisture. We now journey to the Qinling Mountains in Shanxi province, home to the majestic Mount Huashan. This towering peak, often shrouded in mist, has been revered by poets and pilgrims for centuries. From a distance, it appears almost insurmountable, its sheer cliffs rising dramatically from the forested slopes below. Yet, for those brave enough to make the climb, a network of ancient trails wind their way towards the summit. These are no ordinary paths. Carved into the very rock face, they offer a perilous route, demanding respect and a cool head from those who dare to tread them. From the rugged peaks of Mount Huashan, we journey south to the Yunnan province, a land of rolling hills, emerald rice paddies, and serene lakes. Here, nestled between the Kang mountain range and the rolling farmlands, lies Erhai Lake, a shimmering expanse of turquoise water that seems to stretch endlessly towards the horizon. Its name, meaning ear-shaped sea in Chinese, aptly describes its elongated form, a giant sapphire set amidst a landscape of breathtaking beauty. The air is clear and crisp, carrying the scent of pine and wildflowers, a welcome contrast to the bustling cities we have left behind. Our journey now takes us east to the coastal province of Zhejiang, where amidst rolling hills and lush bamboo forests lies a hidden gem Tiantai mountain. Often shrouded in mist, its peaks seem to float amongst the clouds, earning it the nickname Mountain of Heavenly Terrace. For centuries, Tiantai Mountain has been a place of spiritual significance, a sacred site for both Buddhists and Taoists. Its slopes are dotted with ancient temples, monasteries, and hermitages, each with its own unique history and atmosphere. Here, amidst the whispering bamboo and the sound of rushing waterfalls, we can sense the presence of something ancient and powerful, a sense of peace and tranquility that permeates the very air we breathe. The Gobi Desert, a vast expanse of unforgiving terrain where life clings precariously to existence. Yet even here, amidst the arid plains and scorching sun, nature reveals its capacity for extraordinary beauty. We journey to the heart of this desert wilderness, to a place where the relentless forces of nature have conspired to create a scene of breathtaking paradox. A place where towering sand dunes, sculpted by the wind's invisible hand, stand guard over a shimmering oasis. This is Mingsha Mountain and Crescent Spring, a testament to the enduring power of life in the face of adversity. Our journey through China's hidden wonders now takes us to the remote northwestern reaches of the country, to the heart of the Altai Mountains. Here, amidst soaring peaks and dense forests, lies a landscape of breathtaking beauty. This is Canis Lake Geological Park, a sprawling wilderness of pristine lakes, alpine meadows, and snow-capped mountains, a place where the air is crisp and clean, and the silence is broken only by the sound of the wind whispering through the trees. Canis Lake, the park's namesake, is a jewel of turquoise blue, its waters so clear they seem to reflect the very sky above. Fed by glacial meltwater, the lake shimmers and sparkles under the sun, a beacon of serenity amidst the rugged beauty that surrounds it. Join us now as we delve into this enchanting landscape, exploring its hidden valleys, scaling its towering peaks, and experiencing the raw, untamed beauty that defines this remote corner of China. Our journey now takes us to the heart of Guangxi province, to a landscape unlike any other. Here, carved into the slopes of the mountains, lies a testament to human ingenuity and perseverance. This is Longji, the dragon's backbone, a vast expanse of rice terraces that cascade down the mountainsides like a giant staircase reaching for the heavens. For centuries, the Zhuang and Yao people have painstakingly shaped this landscape, creating a masterpiece of agricultural engineering. The terraces, some dating back over 700 years, are a marvel of both beauty and functionality. They follow the contours of the mountains, creating a series of intricate patterns that seem to flow and ripple across the landscape. Join us now as we explore this incredible feat of human endeavor, discovering the history, culture, and natural splendor that make Longji Rice Terraces a truly unforgettable destination. Journeying further into the heart of Xinjiang, we approach a realm where the very earth seems to crack and buckle under the weight of time. This is the Tian Shan Grand Canyon, a testament to the immense power of nature's forces over millennia. Stretching for miles, the canyon walls rise up from the desert floor like slumbering giants, their sandstone flanks etched with the stories of a bygone era. Wind and water, those tireless sculptors, have carved a labyrinth of peaks, ravines, and hidden grottos, each turn revealing a new vista more breathtaking than the last. The air here hums with a strange silence, broken only by the whisper of the wind as it dances through the canyons. It's a silence that speaks volumes, a silence that hints at the ancient secrets held within these weathered walls. Our journey now takes us from the depths of the Tian Shan Grand Canyon to the heights of the Tian Shan mountain range, where nestled among the snow-capped peaks lies a jewel of extraordinary beauty, Tianqi, the heavenly lake. The ascent is a gradual climb through alpine meadows carpeted with wildflowers, their vibrant colors a stark contrast to the rugged, snow-dusted peaks that surround us. The air grows thinner with each step, carrying the crisp scent of pine and the faint chill of glaciers. As we ascend, we enter a realm where the sky seems closer, the clouds within reach. Legend has it that this is where the gods once resided, and looking upon the ethereal beauty of Tianqi, it is easy to understand why. From the vibrant rainbow-hued landscapes of Zhangye to the serene sky-reflecting waters of Tianqi, our journey through China's hidden mountain villages has revealed a land of breathtaking beauty, rich culture, and enduring spirit. We've witnessed the harmonious relationship between humanity and nature, where ancient traditions intertwine with stunning landscapes, creating a tapestry of experiences that linger in the mind long after the journey has ended. But our exploration of this remarkable country doesn't end here. There are countless more hidden gems waiting to be discovered, each with its own unique story to tell. So please like, subscribe, and share the video for more adventures and travel stories. Let us continue to uncover the wonders of our planet together.